Welcome to Healthward. I'm Dr. Memet Işık, and in today's episode we're diving into your baby's exciting 5th month of life. From developmental leaps to health checkups, this is a critical stage filled with growth, curiosity, and deeper bonding. Let's explore what you need to know as a parent this month. By 5 months, most babies can roll over from tummy to back, and some even from back to tummy. They start to push up on their arms when lying on their belly. Most can sit with support, either in your lap or with a pillow behind them. You'll probably notice they may grab and hold objects, transferring toys from one hand to the other. Baby's vision is improving. They now see further distances and track moving objects more smoothly. They recognize familiar faces, voices, and even their own name. Sometimes they may stare at their own reflection and explore their surroundings with intent curiosity. You'll hear a variety of coos, gurgles, and even laughter. They respond to your voice and may mimic your facial expressions or sounds. Talk to your baby frequently. Use simple, melodic language. Naming objects and narrating your actions supports early language development. This month is usually a check-in month, not a major vaccination milestone, unless your child is behind on earlier shots. The checkup may include monitoring weight, length, and head circumference. Your doctor will observe motor skills like rolling, grasping, or social responsiveness. They'll also review feeding patterns, stool habits, and sleep routines. If your baby hasn't yet had their 4-month vaccines such as DTaP, IPV, Hib, PCV, and rotavirus, these may be administered now. Make sure to stay up to date with the immunization schedule. Ask your pediatrician if your baby needs vitamin D or iron supplementation, especially if they're exclusively breastfed. So, the most common concerns this month include upper respiratory infections, which are usually mild colds, things like coughing, congestion, and sneezing. You might also notice teething symptoms starting up, such as excess drooling, chewing, and a bit of mild irritability. And yeah, eczema or dry skin patches can show up around the face or body. Now, make sure to call your doctor if you notice a high fever over 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, decreased feeding or fewer wet diapers, or if your baby seems excessively sleepy or just not as responsive as usual. Most 5-month-olds are still breastfed or formula-fed exclusively. Some pediatricians may suggest starting solids around 6 months, but if your baby is showing readiness signs, like sitting with support or showing interest in food, you can start discussing it with your doctor. Readiness signs for solids include good head control, sitting with minimal support, loss of the tongue thrust reflex, and of course interest in food. Expect around 14 to 16 hours of sleep total per day, including 2 to 3 daytime naps. Some babies may even start sleeping longer stretches at night, even 6 to 8 hours, which can feel like a huge relief. Begin to establish a calm bedtime routine. A warm bath, soft music, and gentle rocking can really help regulate your baby's sleep. Introduce tummy time throughout the day. This helps build neck and arm strength. Offer safe, colorful toys that make gentle sounds or have different textures. Play simple games like peekaboo, mirror play, or reading picture books with bold patterns. Encourage reaching and grabbing by holding toys slightly out of reach. These little moments build hand-eye coordination and spatial awareness. Baby-proofing begins now. Secure cords, cover outlets, and start clearing the floor of choking hazards. And remember, never leave your baby alone on elevated surfaces. Rolling can happen suddenly. This month can be exhausting, honestly. Don't forget to take breaks, ask for help, and connect with support groups or family. Your baby's 5th month is full of smiles, rolls, and incredible learning. Keep encouraging exploration, maintain those health check-ins, and cherish each new milestone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Healthward, for more expert insights on child health and parenting. See you in month 6.